Is dropshipping dead in 2023? No, it's not. Let me show you how in less than 3 days, I was able to find this product in an ad, create a store, launch ads behind this product, and become profitable. Let's go. I'll show you every step of the way, so watch till the end. As you guys can see, I went to AliExpress. I typed the name of the product of what I thought the name of the product would be, and here it is. Here's the website for the product. As you guys can see, is a very simple and elegant website. I showed the product in action with some GIFs and also listed some of the benefits of the product. For example, keep your kids away from screen time addiction, things like that. And now I'm going to take you to the Facebook ad side to show you what I did with the ads. So let's go. Ads. I ran one ad at the beginning. We spent $68. We did a 2.20x. We got 3 purchases for $135. Before anybody tells me this is fake, as you guys can see up here, it's a Scale of Marketing. It's my marketing agency. I show you right here, May 22nd to May 25. We got 3 sales for $136, $65 spent on ads. We were breaking even at 1.5. As you guys can see, I'm showing you that is the actual airplanes that I was showing you guys. So yes, this store was recently done and I got sales. So guess what? So what's the final verdict? Is dropshipping dead in 2023? Absolutely not. One product could change your life. Now, I'm scratching this store because I don't have time to pursue it, but I will be giving away this store in the near future. All you need to do is follow me and comment in every single one of my videos, and I'll pick somebody to give this store to. Thank you. Have a great day.